Frozen dawn in the endless whiteness of Antarctica, where the ice stretched out to the horizon and the wind howled like a banshee. The research outpost known as Polaris Station stood as a lonely sentinel. Dr. Emily Carter, the lead scientist, had always loved the desolation. It was a place where the world's noise faded, and only the rhythm of the snowstorms and the crackling of the ice spoke. But that morning, the ice was whispering something different. Emily's team, a small group of 6 dedicated scientists, had been studying the ancient ice cores for years, searching for clues about Earth's past climates. They never expected to find something else buried deep within the ice. It started with a strange signal. Dr. Raj Patel, the station's communications expert, had been the first to notice it. A rhythmic pulse, unlike any natural pattern they'd encountered, was being emitted from deep below the surface. It wasn't from their equipment, and it certainly wasn't from any known human technology. Could it be a malfunction? Emily asked as she stood over Raj's shoulder, staring at the oscillating signal on the screen. Raj shook his head. His brow furrowed. No way. This is something else. It's consistent, and it's coming from almost 2 miles below the ice. Curiosity piqued. The team decided to investigate. Using advanced drilling equipment, they bored down into the ice, carefully avoiding contaminating whatever lay beneath. It took days, the work arduous and slow, but finally, they broke through into a hidden cavern. The cavern was vast, far larger than they had anticipated. It was like stepping into another world. Walls of translucent ice glowed with an airy blue light, and in the center of the chamber was what appeared to be a massive structure, partially encased in ice. It's a ship, Dr. Elena Morales whispered, her voice trembling with awe and fear. The structure was like nothing they had seen before, smooth, organic curves with no sharp angles, and a dark, metallic surface that seemed to absorb the light around it. They approached cautiously, their breath fogging the air as they reached the ship. It was ancient, older than the ice itself, yet somehow preserved in the frigid temperatures. Symbols, undecipherable and alien, were etched into the surface, glowing faintly as they drew near. Emily placed her gloved hand on the hull, and the ship responded. The ground rumbled, and the ice cracked as a door slowly slid open, revealing a dark interior. What do we do? Dr. Lena Jensen asked, her voice tight with a mix of fear and excitement. Emily knew the risks, but the pull of discovery was too strong. We go inside. The interior of the ship was even stranger. Organic-looking corridors twisted and turned in directions that defied logic. The walls seemed to pulse with energy, and the air was thick with a scent they couldn't identify, something between ozone and the earth after rain.